Upwork takes 10% from most freelancer earnings now, and that single number changes how you should price every job you accept. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what Upwork charges, where the hidden costs show up, and how to protect your profit before sending proposals. Here's the simple version first. In 2026, Upwork's standard freelancer service fee is 10% on contracts. If you land a $500 project, Upwork keeps $50 and you get $450 before withdrawal fees or taxes. That applies to fixed price and hourly contracts. A lot of beginners still think Upwork uses the old sliding scale, like 20%, then 10%, then 5%. That system is gone for most new contracts. The 10% flat fee is the one that matters now. First, understand where the money comes out. If a client funds a $1,000 fixed price milestone, you don't receive the full amount instantly. Upwork deducts $100, leaving $900 in your available balance once the milestone clears. For hourly contracts, the fee is deducted from each weekly billing cycle automatically. That means if your target income is $30 per hour, don't charge $30. Charge around $33.33, so after the 10% fee, you're still near your goal. That's the pricing mistake beginners make. Second, there are extra costs outside the service fee. Connects cost money. If you apply to 20 jobs and spend 12 connects each, that adds up fast. If one connect costs $0.15 in your market, that's $36 just to bid. Boosting proposals costs even more. Withdrawals can also have fees depending on your method. Bank transfer, PayPal, Payoneer, and wire transfers all work differently. That means your real cost on a small $100 project might feel closer to 15% or higher when everything stacks together. Third, think long term. A $200 project at 10% means losing $20. Not bad. But if that client sends you $2,000 every month for 6 months, you'll pay $1,200 total in fees over that period. That's why repeat clients matter. One good client can cover dozens of proposal costs. So here's the breakdown. Upwork's main cut is 10%. Connects are your bidding cost. Withdrawals can reduce profit more. Your move is simple. Calculate your rate backward before applying. Decide what you want to keep, add the fee on top, then price from there. If this saved you from undercharging, hit like and subscribe. It helps, and it tells me what breakdown to make next.